Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about SNMP protocol models. Initially, the simple network management protocols is used to identify the number of dominant protocol in network management. One of the key reasons for this method is besides being the chief internet standard for network management is its relative simplicity. So SNMP. So the SNMP is used for collecting the information from network devices like servers, switches, hubs, printers, and routers on the internet protocol networks. It is a popular protocol for network management. It is a part of transmission control protocol internet access (TCP) or IP protocol access. So most probably it is used as servers, switches, and hubs. So without servers and switches, we may not able to transfer the information to the destination. So it is one of the main protocol access for delivering the information to the routers and switches as well as the hubs. How does it works? Initially, the routers are essential one for transferring the information for all the networks. Maybe it can be differed based on the network which are used for SNMP model. The initially the SNMP models are framed based on the network router access and network switches and printer while checking the information based on the number of informations. Next one is servers and the programming which is used to check the SNMP models are Linux or Unix or Windows servers. SNMP components, the components based on the key models, SNMP manager key functions and queries agents get response from the agents based on the number of connections are loaded. Key functions. Initially, they collect the management information about its local environment. It stores and retrieves the management information as defined in the MIP model, and signal can be relevant to the management, act as a proxy from one non-SNP manageable network mode. So sometime if you want to access any data from network means we can use this SNMP keys as a proxy server. Sometime the website owner or the concerned person log their website based on the passwords. In order to access the information without any password, we can use as a proxy servers. So like that, it is one of the technique which is used to access any kind of proxy server based on the networks. Architectures. The architectures are based on one is simply client and servers. The objects are opening and it is able to communicate with the notification based on the agent and managed objects. Basic commands. So it is mainly accessed based on the Unix and Linux technique, Linux OS software. So get means get the information, get the operation. Get next means next operations. Bulk means bulk number of data has been assigned based on the MIP table. So benefits. Once if you are accessing by using this SNMT means, we can use some kind of benefits. First one is control because it is operated based on the routers and bulk data so that it can prevent, detect, correct the network related issues. And next one is popularity. SNMP is virtually supported by every enterprise network equipment manufactured in the world. Efficiency also high while compared with other techniques. The user datagram protocols to deliver packets more when compared with other is called protocol data units. Security. One of the reason which is used for SNMP is high security because while lagging in authentication, it just communicate to the security threats. And next one is message sequence and timing modification occurs when an entity who is an unauthorized recorder delays or copies and later replaces a message generated by an authorized entity. Languages of SNMP, SMI, ASN.I, BER. One of the recent techniques are basic encoding rules because your data has been encoded and then it can be converted to the some other technique so that it just capturing the information based on the BER, basic encoding rules. Assessment. How does SNMP help in network fault management? It can be accessed by monitoring device status because SNMPs act as a router and switches and hubs. I just clearly indicate about their behavior of the concerned devices so that the CP know about which kind of information has been forwarded and which type of information has been interlinked with each other. And next one is alerting. Send the information to the notified users based on the alerting process. And next one is fault isolation. It identify the cause of the network problems by providing a detailed information about the faulty devices or links. So like that, it can be useful for network management. Thank you.